Hello, everyone, and welcome to this slow English listening on the topic of the weather. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss my next lessons. Also, leave a like on the video, it really helps. Have you ever noticed how the weather could change your whole day? Sometimes the sun makes you smile, and sometimes the rain makes you want to stay in bed. Today, we're going to explore how one person's day changed completely because of the weather. It's a story that will teach you important words and phrases about rain, sun, clouds, and wind. Before we start, I want to tell you that I've divided this story in two parts. At the end of each part, you'll find a checkpoint with two quick questions to test your understanding. This will help you check if you're following the story well. This lesson is part of my Natural English Learning Program, featuring 2 weekly videos. A slow listening video every Monday to help you learn vocabulary, phrases, and improve your comprehension skills. And a speaking shadowing practice video every Thursday to enhance your fluency. If you click join and enter my community, you'll get early access to videos, downloadable PDFs of all video lessons with extra exercises. The link is in the description. And priority responses to all your comments. If you prefer to download just this lesson's free PDF, click the link in the description and fill out the form. You can download one PDF for free. Are you ready? Let's start. A rainy day, part 1. Anna is a 25-year-old woman who lives in a small town near the mountains. She works in a bookshop in the center of the town. Anna loves her job because she loves books and she loves talking to people about stories. Every morning, Anna wakes up at 7 o'clock. The first thing she does is look out of her bedroom window to check the weather. Why? Because the weather is very important for Anna's day. If the weather is good, she walks to work. If the weather is bad, she takes the bus. This morning, Anna woke up and looked outside. The sky was gray. There were many dark clouds in the sky. Anna thought, it looks like rain today. She got dressed and put on her raincoat. She also took her umbrella. Better safe than sorry, she said. Anna left her house at 8 o'clock. When she opened the door, she felt the cold wind on her face. The wind was strong. It moved the trees and made a loud sound. Anna started walking to the bus stop. She didn't want to walk all the way to work because of the wind. While Anna was waiting at the bus stop, the rain started. First, there were a few drops. Then, the rain became heavier and heavier. Anna opened her umbrella. Good thing I brought this, she thought. The bus arrived 5 minutes later. Anna got on the bus and found a seat near the window. She looked outside. The rain was falling hard now. The streets were wet and shiny. People were running with their umbrellas. Some people didn't have umbrellas, so they were getting wet. Anna arrived at the bookshop at 8:30. Her boss, Mr. Thompson, was already there. Good morning, Anna, Mr. Thompson said. Terrible weather today, isn't it? Yes, Anna replied. It's very rainy and windy. I hope it stops soon. The weather forecast says it will rain the whole day. Mr. Thompson said, but maybe tomorrow will be sunny. Anna hoped Mr. Thompson was right. She didn't like rainy days very much. Rainy days made her feel a little sad. She preferred sunny days when the sky was blue and bright. Checkpoint 1. Question 1. What did Anna see when she looked out of the window in the morning? A. A blue sky with the sun. B. A gray sky with dark clouds. B. Gray sky with dark clouds. Question 2. How did Anna go to work this morning? A. She walked all the way. B. She took the bus. She took the bus. Part 2. The morning passed slowly at the bookshop. Not many customers came in because of the bad weather. Anna organized books on the shelves and read a little. She could hear the rain hitting the window. The sound was constant. Tap, tap, tap. At lunchtime, Anna looked outside again. The rain was still falling, but it wasn't as heavy as before. The wind had stopped too. Anna decided to go to the cafe across the street to buy a sandwich. She put on her raincoat and opened her umbrella. She walked quickly across the street. The ground was full of puddles. Anna tried to avoid them, but she stepped in one puddle. Her shoes got wet. Oh no, Anna said. Inside the cafe, it was warm and dry. Anna bought a cheese sandwich and a hot cup of tea. She sat near the window and ate her lunch. While she was eating, the rain stopped. The dark clouds began to move away, and then the sun came out. The sky was no longer gray. It was becoming blue. The sun made everything look bright and clean. Anna smiled. She loved this moment when the weather changed from bad to good. It always made her feel happy. After lunch, Anna went back to the bookshop. The afternoon was much better than the morning. More customers came in because the weather was nicer. People were happy to see the sun again. At 5 o'clock, Anna finished work. She walked outside and felt the warm sun on her face. The sky was completely blue now. There were no clouds at all. What a difference, Anna thought. This morning was gray and rainy, but now it's beautiful and sunny. Anna decided to walk home instead of taking the bus. She wanted to enjoy the good weather. She walked through the park. The trees were still wet from the rain, but everything looked fresh and green. Birds were singing and children were playing. When Anna arrived home, she felt happy. The weather had changed her day completely. It started bad, but it ended wonderfully. That evening, Anna looked at the weather forecast on her phone. Tomorrow would be sunny and warm. Anna smiled. She was already looking forward to tomorrow. Checkpoint 2. Question 1. What happened while Anna was having lunch at the cafe? It started to snow, A, or the sun came out, B. B, the sun came out. Question 2. How did Anna go home after work? She walked home, A, or B, she took the bus. A, she walked home. Congratulations. Well done, everyone. You've completed the story. I'm really proud of your listening. Understanding a story in English is not easy, but you did it. This shows that your English is improving. Keep practicing and you'll get better and better. Now, let me help you remember the most important vocabulary and phrases from this story. Key vocabulary: the weather, the condition outside, rain, sun, wind, clouds. Rainy, when water falls from the sky. Sunny, when the sun is shining brightly. Cloudy, when there are clouds in the sky. Key phrases: it looks like rain. This is used when you think it will rain soon. The rain was falling hard. It means it was raining a lot. The sun came out when the sun appears after being hidden. What a difference is used when something changes a lot. Thank you so much for watching this slow English listening lesson. I hope you enjoyed Anna's story and learned some useful words about the weather. Remember to subscribe to the channel to get notifications about new lessons. I have many more interesting stories coming soon. See you next time. Bye-bye.